Assalamu alaikum. Rabbi shahli sadri wa yassirli amri wa hlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. My name is Khadijah and this is my friend Haniya.
Assalamu alaikum.
She is going to be my helper today and we are going to be making cinnamon buns.
Yay!
Let's start.
Servi. Both hands. Servi. Safi.
You will need to make the dough is 2 cups of warm milk, 1.5 cup of sugar, 1.5 cup of butter melted, 2 1/4 teaspoon of dry yeast. Let's add in all the ingredients. Can you now give me the 2 cups of milk, please?
Okay, I'm fine.
1. And 2. Great. Okay, wait, now can you give me the butter?
Okay. Should I just one in?
Yeah.
Dang,
And
it's
now
got chunky.
sugar. Yeah, it's so weird. And now sugar.
Sounds like buttermilk.
Yep. And then yeast. No, first we have to mix these first, sorry.
Yeah.
So let's mix this so it gets dissolved.
Technically, you can't dissolve sugar.
True. But like, if it's powdered sugar, then it can kind of dissolve. But like, let's just
Only
mix it.
science for okay. Technically, cooking is science.
Cooking is science.
Should I add these?
Oh, not yet, bro.
Okay.
Gotta mix and mix for like 30 minutes. No.
What?
No, yeah.
Okay, you
Okay,
scared
add
me for a
yeast.
second. Yay!
There we
We'll
go.
let the beautiful yellow color with ugly brown. Perfect.
This is the one that makes the whole cinnamon roll come together, bro.
Yeah, I know. I'm talking about color.
Whatever. Okay, now we're done with the first part. And now we're going to cover it and leave it for about 10 minutes. Now we're going to be making the filling. What we will need is 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 cup of butter, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Okay, can you add in the brown sugar first?
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna be careful not to drop them. Oh my god.
That was wrong. Okay, now the butter.
Oh, the chunky butter. Okay, I'm gonna drop them.
Okay, got everything. And then can I add
actually,
the
no, there's
cinnamon,
no more.
please? Oh, wow, that was.
I think that's enough. I think we got most of it.
Yeah, and then the cinnamon, please. Thank you.
That should be all of it.
Now let's just
I
mix.
love cinnamon, especially the smell of it. I think we might need more butter. Never mind. Will that be enough?
Probably. Oh yeah, this is, yeah, maybe this should be enough.
Oh god.
Whoops. Fun fact about cinnamon. You know, if you put like cinnamon just in like a spoon and you eat it like right away, it absorbs all the moisture inside of your mouth. So like you have to like cough it out and like it's hard to breathe. So it's kind of dangerous. No, it's fact. Let's start by adding the powdered sugar.
Do you have the tablespoon thing, or should I just eyeball it?
Yeah, just eyeball it. Because that one's easy. You can add it.
Wait, how much?
Like about 1 tablespoon, but you can do a little bit more.
I didn't know it was gonna squirt like
That's
that.
it.
Yeah. I love vanilla.
Obviously, who doesn't? Okay, milk,
Butter. And look at this.
butter.
Okay, we need butter.
Should we microwave it a little bit?
No, I don't think so.
Because it needs to be a little softer.
Okay, but we first need to get it.
Okay, I think.
Can't get it out. Oh, she's going in.
I'm smart, bro.
Actually, you got like. I guess that works. Just like plop. I think that's enough. I feel kind of bad for that.
Yeah, good enough. And this is how it's gonna look, and now we're gonna start mixing.
We're gonna use this blender to blend this. Oh god, okay, I'll hold this.
Now we're going to add the 2 other cups of flour.
To make this thicker.
Yeah, so it can be the perfect dough. Okay, mix it in.
Oh god. I'm so messy. You're gonna die because of this.
I like how the spatula's all.
Why is it so thick?
Why is dough? You think dough is supposed to be liquid?
Yes, it's supposed to be liquid.
It's
The
supposed to be
pancakes I made
thick.
this morning was liquidy.
Well, when you cooked it.
This is.
It
I
was
think we
thick.
can use this.
Or you can just mix it like this.
You're gonna break that thing.
No, I'm not.
Okay, let's take that out. Use this.
No, you have to scrape off all the things because the filling is one of the most important parts.
Oh yeah. But it's good. Oh, whatever.
Look at the thickness.
Okay, this is good.
Ours a little bit liquidy like ours. We just added a little bit more sifted flour.
Yeah, and do it like.
Take out the dough, and now we're gonna split them in half for each of us.
Yeah, and then we're gonna knead it, so
Yep.
it's easier to work with.
Okay. Okay, so make sure to have a little bit of flour on your table so it doesn't stick.
Right.
Just like, yeah, put on your side. Sis. Okay. Okay, so how you knead it is you go like this in each direction. So it's so all the like the clumps and stuff can be they will all just go into one. So it'll be really nice and smooth for you to like flatten out so you can add in the filling. After we're done rolling it, we're just gonna add in the filling, and you want it kind of to be in like a square. So we're gonna be using like this flat thing to like make it into a square.
Yeah, we'll show you guys later. We completely rolled out our dough.
Haniya made a beautiful heart.
It is beautiful. Thank you very much.
We're gonna add the filling. There you go.
Okay,
Now
so
we got
we
our utensils, and
So
now let's
thick.
start spreading it.
We say that too many times. Thick.
Oops, that's mine.
I need to spread this out kind of like evenly.
Yeah, try to do that. So each piece of the cinnamon roll will be as tasty.
Delicious.
Yeah.
And cinnamony. Because they're called cinnamon rolls. I have this weird addiction to cinnamon.
Yeah. But make sure you don't eat it in a spoon.
Yeah, who wants to choke out all the... Okay.
1 hour later.
We're done spreading out all of our things. It took quite a lot of time. Oh, it's good. Yeah, this is thick. Make sure you get every single corner so every single cinnamon bun has the same good taste.
Bruh, cinnamon buns taste good always.
But like, what if you were biting into it and like one
Okay,
little
don't
piece
make
of
the
the bread
what if
are gonna go like dry. Just start rolling it.
I kind of already started.
Yeah. Okay.
This is thick.
Oh, and make sure you guys always say Bismillah.
Yeah. This is not supposed to be this thick. You can add that one.
There we go. Now you get your beautiful roll. I'm just gonna move it a little bit to the side. Here. There we go. How we cut the cinnamon rolls is we use floss. So what you do is you go under the cinnamon roll.
Oh, this.
And then when you're done, and when you get the point you want, you're just going to pull it. That might get to be hard because it's a little slippery.
Is this like a good?
Yeah. No, that's a little too big.
Okay.
And then just going to pull it.
You're going to need lots of fingers. Okay.
Yeah. Fingers.
Oh, yeah, you got it. Kind of.
Good job. And I'll show the screen.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's cute.
Oh yeah, there, I got it. And this is my, I got it. And this is my roll.
Yours looks better.
So when we're gonna put our cinnamon rolls in, you need to butter them.
So they don't stick on there.
Yeah. So they're, and also it makes them extra creamy.
Oh, it does? Oh.
Yeah. And then make sure to put it on the sides.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Don't forget the sides.
Kind of an annoying noise.
It's fine. Because we're gonna be finished. You're almost done anyways. There we go. Now you nice
You
butter
can,
pan.
like, place them in.
Yeah. Like that.
Oh, you're doing so nicely.
Now
we finished, like, cutting them.
Yeah, look how good they look.
Some of them are gonna be like really tiny.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and then so we have to preheat the oven to 350 degrees or Fahrenheit. It'll be Haniya's first time touching the birds. This one's sky. Oh, they must be scared of the camera. This one's blueberry.
Oh my god.
Okay, wait. Let me bring them out for you. Go bring them out. The birdies. Girl, I'm not gonna hurt you. This is Sky. Okay.
No, oh my god.
Okay, just put your hands down.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Why are we still here?
I'm doing nothing.
I guess it isn't.
Okay, and then put your fingers.
Oh,
I believe I can fly. I believe.
Why did you do that?
I'm sorry.
Okay, give me your hand.
Oh my god.
No, it doesn't hurt. Okay,
Oh
now.
god, and then it's like, oh my god, why is it? It's weirdly heavy-ish. Oh my god.
No thanks, don't mind me.
Bye. Okay, now let's go get blueberry.
Is blueberry nicer?
Yeah, blueberry does not shout.
He did. Oh, don't need to go. Oh, oh, never mind.
Girl!
Thank you, blueberry. You're a good boy.
Oh, come here.
I said thinking you're a boy.
He's scared of really new people. Like when he first saw my little brother, he's like, hey! Okay. If it's not gonna, bro, Haniya.
Okay, bro. Oh my gosh, why does that tickle?
Alright, now give me your hand. Give me your hand.
No.
Get your hand.
No, you're putting it on my head.
Look what he's doing. He's doing nothing at all. He's literally sitting there. A little sweet little birdie. Wait. Come on. Just on your hand, bro. On your hand. On your hand.
Oh my gosh.
On your hand. On your
Run.
Totally. So intimidating.
I feel like I can kiss them, but I can't. He's adorable.
He's cuter.
Yeah, I know. Because it's a baby. This one's a baby. And
Why
that
did it draw dots on the nose?
those are their nostrils.
Oh, okay. What?
all baked up. It looks really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna try it. Just wait a second. Okay, I'm just going to add it in. Very chunky. That's how they look. All finished.
Now we're gonna move on to eating them.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a taste test. We got all the taste test plates ready. Since it hasn't come, so you can taste it with us. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
What?
So which one's the small one? Here's yours, Raya. Taste test in the same time. Bismillah, everybody. Okay.
Take off the mask.
We have to take off the mask. What? Remember a little distancing? Okay. Ran? Oh! So Hassan, go get your thing. This is so good.
No, it's not. Lucky.
Yucky?
What do you mean yucky, dude? We worked hard for this.
Yeah,
Look, look. Yeah.
It's delicious.
Alhamdulillah, it came out really, really good.
Yeah, it was delicious.
Yeah, make sure you try the recipe. I hope it comes out really good for you.
Yeah.
And make sure to subscribe.
Yeah, make sure to like and subscribe.